Hi, my name is Mike. I'm here with BESTBOARD at ISE 2020. BESTBOARD is a Taiwanese-based manufacturer of interactive flat panel displays. And here at ISE, we're demoing both our IR Touch as well as our PCAP Touch displays. Our displays are ultra high def, 4K, and they come in 3 sizes. So we have a 65-inch display, a 75-inch display, as well as an 86-inch display. Behind me is our S5 series, which is really tailor-made for the corporate market. You'll notice that it has a built-in 8-megapixel webcam, as well as a 4-mic array, which means that you can take this display, wheel it into a room, and it becomes an instant upgrade to your meeting room. There's no more need to integrate and maintain multiple devices to enable video conferencing. This all-in-one display does it all for you. Additionally, it uses EMR Touch, which, as you can see, I'm just going to add this to our whiteboard, which is a built-in software that we have. It allows you to take screen grabs of anything that you may want, add it to a whiteboard, and then easily annotate. And with our EMR Touch technology, you get a very, very detailed stroke that's pressure sensitive, responsive, and highly accurate. So come on down to our booth. We're located at number 15 M240, or check us out at www.bestboard.vip.